everyone, Big Doug here to do a VR for Mark 1616. He's been on YouTube in the past. He had a different channel, Wasser 1063 AK-47, but he had to close it down for personal job-related issues. But like I said, he came out with a new channel here in the past month or two, and like I said, Mark 1616, and he's having a contest. His other channel, he was trying to give away a gun, but for whatever reason, you can watch his video. I have it attached down in my description. But he's giving away some ammo, and he just wants us to show the guns that we would want the ammo for. And as you can see here, I have my Springfield XDM 3.8. This is my concealed carry. It's a 9mm, and this is my first gun I ever bought a year ago over Labor Day weekend. The Smith & Wesson Sigma, the Glock clone. It's fun. It's my nighttime bed nightstand gun because of the laser. Yeah, whatever. Cheap gun, good gun. Had no problem with it. Heavier trigger pull, but this is my concealed carry. Of course, came with carrying my Nate Square holster that I got through Gun Wild 1. Who won first place from a South Carolina contest a month or two ago. So, anyways, you ask us, what particular ammo do you want? Well, 9mm. I don't really care. I'm not picky about ammo. As long as it shoots, fires, I plink. You know, I'm not asking for any self-defense ammo. I find bargains when I can, and whatever you feel like sending me, I will take and shoot them out. So thanks for the contest. He asked us to kind of share at least 3 people, which I'm sure when people watch the videos I'll hit hopefully more than 3 views. And I've seen some other people who I'm friends with who've done VRs, so the word's getting out there about your channel, Mark. So everyone, just check out his channel, check out his content, and thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.